in 1997, deep in the Pacific Ocean, thousands of meters below the surface, American scientists' underwater microphones, hydrophones, suddenly recorded a very strange sound. It was not an explosion, not an earthquake, and not the sound of any ship. This signal was named bloop. The sound was so powerful that it could be heard thousands of kilometers away. It was so loud that the sound of any living creature would seem very small compared to it. Scientists were shocked because if this sound had come from a living creature, its size would have been many times larger than a blue whale. Could there be an unknown, massive creature hidden in the depths of the ocean? Is there a being that humans have never seen until now? Some people said it could be a signal from aliens, while others believed it might be from a hidden civilization beneath the ocean. Years later, scientists claimed that the sound was actually caused by massive ice glaciers breaking apart. However, even today, many questions remain unanswered, because about 80% of the ocean is still unexplored, and that mysterious signal was called the bloop.